Hear that whining sound over 60 miles per hour? That's not wind. That's not your transmission. That's $2,800 screaming at you from your differential. This guy ignored it for 3 months. Know what happened? Differential grenaded on the highway. $3,200 total repair. If your Silverado whines over 60, you have maybe 500 miles left. Let's fix it now for $280. Hit subscribe right now, because I post one money-saving repair like this every week. Next one could save you $3,500. Comment your mileage below. Let's go.
Here's what that whine means. Your differential fluid is gone. Not low, not dirty, gone. After 100K miles, differential fluid breaks down, loses viscosity, stops lubricating. And those gears inside, they're grinding metal on metal at 3,000 RPM. Why it whines at 60 miles per hour specifically? That's when your differential is working hardest. Highway speed, maximum load, gears screaming for lubrication they don't have. 3 stages of death. Stage 1, whine over 60 miles per hour. You're here. Fluid is cooked, but gears still okay. $280 fix. Stage 2, whine gets louder. Whines at 40 miles per hour now. Gears starting to pit. $800 fix. Stage 3, bang. Differential locks up or explodes. Metal shrapnel everywhere. $2,800 to $3,500 repair. You're at stage 1 right now. We can save this. If you hear any whining in your Silverado, drop a like right now and keep watching. Next 3 minutes can save you $2,520.
You can do this yourself. $280 in parts and fluids, 45 minutes. What you need? Differential fluid, 3 quarts. Check your manual for spec. New drain plug gasket, $8. Socket set, drain pan, funnel with hose. Step 1. Jack up the rear. Both wheels off ground, jack stands. Park brake off, wheels can spin free. Step 2. Find the differential. Middle of rear axle. Big pumpkin-shaped housing. Can't miss it. Step 3. Drain the old fluid. Drain plug at bottom. Socket wrench. Let it drain completely. You'll see why it's whining. Fluid looks like black death. Metal shavings everywhere. Step 4. Inspect for damage. Stick finger in drain hole. Feel around. Smooth? Good. Rougher chunks? You waited too long. Needs full rebuild. Step 5. Replace drain plug gasket. Old gasket is crushed. New one seals properly. $8 part prevents $2,800 leak. Step 6. Fill with new fluid. Fill plug is on side of the differential. Remove it first so you can drain if overfill. Add fluid slowly through fill hole until it runs out. That's full. Replace fill plug. Step 7. Test drive. Drive normal. Get to 60 miles per hour. Listen. Whine should be gone. Completely silent. If still whines, too late. Needs rebuild. Total time, 45 minutes. Total cost, $280.
Don't want a DIY? Fine. Take it to shop. What to say? I need differential fluid service. Drain and refill, not a flush. And inspect for damage. What it costs? Fluid, $60 to $90. Labor, $150 to $200. Gasket, $8 to $15. Total, $220 to $300. What to avoid? Shops that say you need full differential rebuild without showing you damage. Some lie to upsell. Ask them, show me the metal in the old fluid. Show me the damaged gears. If fluid is just dark but no metal chunks, it's just a fluid change. $280. If fluid has metal shavings bigger than glitter, yeah, you're in stage 2. $800 to $1,200. If gears are visibly chewed up, stage 3, $2,800. If you've never changed your differential fluid, comment "gonna change it," because most Silverado owners forget this exists. How do you know if it's just fluid or actual damage? Still savable, $280 fix. Whines only over 60 miles per hour. Goes away when coasting. No vibration, no clunking. Changes smoothly from 2WD to 4WD. Might be damaged, $800 fix. Whines at all speeds. Gets louder when accelerating. Slight vibration at highway speed. Clunk when shifting into drive. Definitely destroyed, $2,800 plus fix. Grinding sound. Clunking on turns. Vibration you can feel in the seat. Won't engage 4WD. Puddle of gear oil under truck. If you're in the first category, do the fluid change today. Second category, do it this week before it gets worse. Third category, stop driving, call mechanic, it's rebuild time. How do I prevent this? Easy. Change differential fluid every 50K miles. That's it. Owner's manual says 100K? That's for normal driving. You tow, you off-road, you live where it's hot? That's severe driving, 50K miles. Cost every 50K? $280. Cost if you skip it, $2,800. Math is simple. And here's the thing nobody tells you. Differential fluid doesn't just get old, it gets shredded by those gears. Tiny metal particles suspend in it. Then those particles grind more metal. Death spiral. Fresh fluid every 50K breaks that cycle. Bottom line, if your Silverado whines over 60 miles per hour, your differential is dying. Fix it now for $280. Wait 3 months, $2,800. Drain old fluid, replace gasket, fill with new. 45 minutes. Or take it to a shop, $220 to $300. Still cheaper than rebuilt. Now tell me, does your Silverado whine? What speed? Comment below. If this saves you $2,520, smash that like button. Next week, another sound your Silverado makes that means expensive damage. Don't miss it. See you then.